Welcome to this video about campaign optimization fundamentals. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the role of campaign optimization in digital advertising and discuss its key components. You will also be able to describe the different techniques of campaign optimization. Launching a digital advertising campaign is just the beginning. To ensure long-term success, a digital marketer should continuously monitor, analyze, and optimize their campaigns for maximum performance. Campaign optimization is making data-driven improvements to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve return on investment or ROI. Campaign optimization ensures that ad spend is used effectively by refining underperforming elements. High-performing ads get more visibility, leading to increased conversions. Unnecessary costs are reduced, improving overall ROI, and campaigns remain competitive by adjusting to market trends and user behavior. Campaign optimization includes certain key factors that need to be regularly reviewed and refined. Let's explore them. Ad targeting optimization ensures ads are shown to the right audience to enable engagement and conversions. Optimization is based on several criteria: demographics like age, gender, income, and education; location, so you can target specific regions or exclude underperforming areas; device types such as mobile or desktop users; and interests and behavior, so you can retarget users who have already interacted with the brand. Consider the example of a brand running ads for premium skincare products. The brand has identified that women aged between 25 to 40 years in urban areas have the highest engagement. Accordingly, they focus on this audience, improving conversions. Keyword optimization for search campaigns helps to eliminate irrelevant or low-performing keywords, adding negative keywords or terms that prevent ads from showing on related searches, and increase bids on high-performing keywords and lower bids on underperforming ones. For instance, a company selling high-end watches finds that users searching for cheap watches click on the ad but do not convert. They add cheap as a negative keyword to filter out unqualified traffic. Ad copy and creative optimization include testing different headlines, descriptions, and calls to action or CTAs to see what works with users, running multiple versions of an ad to compare performance, and personalized messaging to tailor ads to specific audience segments. Imagine a fitness brand that tests two versions of ad copy, one focusing on weight loss and another on muscle gain. The muscle gain version performs better, so they adjust their messaging accordingly. Landing page optimization ensures a smooth transition from ad to landing page. The key factors to optimize here are page load speed, which should be under 3 seconds, mobile responsiveness, a clear, compelling CTA such as sign up now or get 20% off today, and congruent messaging between the ad and landing page. Imagine a travel agency that runs ads promoting a 50% off vacation package, but sees a high bounce rate on the landing page. After updating the landing page to highlight the offer, conversions increase by 30%. Depending on the analyses, adjusting bid strategies upwards or lower ensures ads remain competitive without overspending. Some common bidding strategies include manual bidding, wherein advertisers set maximum bids for keywords; automated bidding, wherein AI adjusts bids in real time for better performance; and target return on ad spend, or ROAS, refers to adjusting bids to maximize revenue. Consider an e-commerce store that uses automated bidding and notices its CPC drops by 15%, allowing it to reach more users for the same budget. Additionally, specific techniques are used to optimize and improve digital ad campaigns. A/B testing or split testing involves running two versions of an ad, landing page or CTA, to compare results. It helps determine which version leads to higher engagement and conversions. For example, a fashion retailer tests two CTA buttons, Shop Now versus Get 10% off today. It finds that the second CTA increases click-through rates by 25%. Retargeting or remarketing refers to showing ads to users who visited your website but didn't convert. Retargeting is effective because users are already familiar with the brand. For example, an online electronics store retargets users who abandon their shopping carts, which results in a 40% increase in recovered sales. Audience segmentation refers to creating ad campaigns for various audience segments to personalize messaging and improve engagement. Imagine a coffee brand creating separate ads for office workers, highlighting energy boost, and students focusing on affordability. AI and automation tools, such as Google and Facebook ads, provide automated optimization features that adjust bids, target audiences, and refine real-time placements. AI-powered tools analyze significant amounts of data to suggest improvements. For instance, an online education platform enables Google's smart bidding, resulting in a 20% increase in enrollments without increasing ad spend. Performance analysis and adjustments involve regularly reviewing campaign performance to ensure ongoing success. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are used to track CTR, or click-through rate, conversion rate cost per acquisition, or CPA, and return on ad spend, or ROAS. In this video, you learned that campaign optimization is the process of making data-driven improvements to digital ads to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve ROI. Key aspects of campaign optimization include ad targeting, keyword optimization, ad copy and creative optimization, landing page optimization, and adjusting bid strategies. Campaign optimization techniques include A/B testing, retargeting, audience segmentation, AI and automation tools, and performance analysis and adjustments.